Hey guys, it's Poochie. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. You may or may not know about affiliate marketing. Let's look at bigcommerce.com and see what affiliate marketing it says it is. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate, such as me or another YouTuber, earns a commission for marketing another person or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. There's another way that affiliate marketing works. If you are a YouTuber, if you are an influencer such as myself, companies will actually reach out to you. I don't remember reaching out to very many companies to be an affiliate. They reach out to me and ask me to be an affiliate. And if I use their software or I believe in their software or their company, etc., then I will be happy to be an affiliate and spread the word about them. However, when someone reaches out to me to be an affiliate, it doesn't always work because I'm very transparent. I'm very honest. And that gets me in trouble, but I don't always go along with the norm or the standard of other YouTubers. A lot of them will just promote, affiliate, and not really care about the products that they are promoting. I do. So unfortunately, a company reached out to me and asked me to become an affiliate. They went the extra mile for me and got me a 30-day trial with their software, which I greatly appreciate. However, it should have worried me when that was such a problem. Because if they have people who are affiliates for them, they should have 30-day trials or they should be testing out the software. Maybe it's that they already run the software, but this one I cannot recommend, and in this video you're going to see why. I would like to apologize to the company. I feel bad doing this, but honesty and transparency is very important to me, and I cannot recommend your software to the people who watch my channel, even if it will make me affiliate money, and I'm going to tell you why. Hey guys, it's Poochie. Recently, Helium 10 reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to be an affiliate and promote and recommend their product. I have a lot of companies, softwares, etc. that reach out to me regularly. I'm very picky who I take in. I always require that I test out the software and see what I think. But this is going to be a little different today. I'm not going to test the software. You see a lot of people online, a lot of gurus out there that are recommending Helium 10 because they're getting a kickback or getting paid for everyone who signs up for the software. But I'm not going to test the software, and I'll tell you why. Helium 10, I really appreciate the fact that you went the extra mile and got me a free 30-day test of your software. I apologize that I am not going to use it. I looked at it a little bit, and when I started to go and look at it, this is what happened. I went to Google and I looked at your Google reviews. And Google reviews aren't everything, but they're something. I really just said that. And when you have a 2 out of 5 on Google reviews and several reviews over the last week and month that say worst customer service I've ever experienced, I've never had a company deny me a refund if I contacted them immediate like this. I wish I had read reviews before I signed up for a trial. Avoid, do not sign up for long-term plans. Initially, I like their product, but I judge a company by their customer service. It is a cheating company. I should have also looked up the reviews. Absolutely disappointed in the software. Fraudulent company. I was ripped off over $500. Don't care about their customers. So I cannot recommend Helium 10 because these are from the last month. And there's so many. A month ago, a month ago, a month ago, a month ago, a week ago, a week ago, a month ago, 3 weeks ago. I mean, I can't recommend your software because according to your Google reviews, your customer service is poor, if not horrible, and you are not refunding people when you should be refunding people according to the reviews. So unfortunately, I can't recommend your software, and my channel is very transparent. I will not recommend something if I don't either use it or believe in it. When you improve your customer service and when you start offering refunds to people who request it, not saying that you don't, but they're saying that you don't, I will be happy to reevaluate this and look at your software, but I am a very transparent channel. I'm very open, upfront, and honest. And if you have a lot of other YouTubers or influencers who are recommending your product, that is great. I will not be one of them because any company that I recommend, I put my reputation on the line to tell people, hey, this is a good software, go with them. I can't do it with this because I can't trust your company to treat people the right way. Customer service is very important to me, and yeah, I hope that improves. When it does, please reach out to me. If you are an actual client or customer of Helium 10 and you've had great customer service and no problems, please comment below, and I would love to talk to you about it. I would love to be able to become an affiliate. If I'm not an affiliate, I don't make money. So it's not easy for me to say, no, I'm not going to be your affiliate because of this, without even testing out the software. But that's how I am. Money's not the most important thing. And I just cannot do business with a company that has reviews like this. So they're not going to like me after this. But I want them to turn it around, get your customer service right, give people refunds when they deserve refunds, and when that improves, and I see that that improves, absolutely I would be happy to be a potential affiliate and look at the actual software. I appreciate you giving me the 30-day trial. I know you don't usually do that. You said that that's very rare, but you got it for me anyway. I really appreciate that. Unfortunately, I can't even use it because I can't promote a product that has customer service like this. Anyway, I hope that my viewers at least appreciate my honesty and the fact that I'm very upfront and I do keep it real. That's the motto of the channel, is keeping it real. So I apologize, Helium 10. I don't want you to hate me. I just want you to turn around your customer service and then come back and we'll talk about it again. So again, keeping it real, guys. I cannot recommend Helium 10. I will not even use it because of the reviews from their customers. Hopefully they'll turn it around and we'll be able to come back and revisit this and I'll be able to give a glowing review. But as of this point, nope, not going to happen. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Poochie, and like always, we're keeping it real. So there you have it. I really actually feel bad posting this, but I feel like if I don't let people know when there's an issue with the company that they should be aware of, especially when that company has come to me asking me to be an affiliate, I feel like, you know, what kind of person am I? If I would just say, yeah, I'll be an affiliate and promote it, and then more people, the problem isn't corrected and more people have issues, I just wouldn't feel right about that. You know, keeping it real is the slogan of my channel, and that's because I'm real. Whether people like it or not, that is one thing I always am. I hope you liked watching the video. I hope that Helium 10 will take this video as constructive criticism, which it is meant as, and will work on their customer service with their clients so I can come back and revisit this. But if they don't, then that's on them. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe. It helps the channel if you like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any comments. I always appreciate you watching, guys. Thanks so much.